Question number 106. The respective ratio between the length and breadth of a rectangle is how much? 5:3. The perimeter of a rectangle is 112 meters. What is the measure of the base of the triangle? Whose height is equal to which one? Length of the rectangle. And its area is equal to the area of a which one? Rectangle. What is the area of a triangle? Half into base into height, or it is equal to which one? Area of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. And here already height is equal to the which one? Length of a rectangle. Means height value, length value both are cancelled. Yes or no? Again we required which one? Measure of the base of the triangle. Means we required only base of the triangular. Okay. First, what is the length of a rectangle is how many parts? Breadth is 3 parts. Total 8 parts. Sum is 8 parts. But perimeter 16 parts. Perimeter 16 parts. 16 parts is how much? 1, 1, 200. Every one part is 700. Every one part 7. Breadth of a rectangle is how many parts? 3 parts. Means this value are 2100. Left hand side denominator 2, it will become right hand side into 200. 21 2 is how much? 48. That is base of the triangular. Next question number 107. Two trains started running from the same point at the same time opposite direction. One towards north, another one towards south. Opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. The speed of the two trains are 80 and 64. How much time will they take to be 1872 kilometers apart? What is the distance are given? 1872. What is the relative speed in opposite direction? Sum of the speeds are. What is the sum of the speeds? 144. Means we required time value means written distance by speed. Numerator end with 2, denominator end with 4. Then answer should end with 3 or 8. But more than 10 times, what is the nearest value? 1300. Either 3 or 8. Then which one is the closer to 10 times value? 13 times or 18 times? 13 times. Next question number 108. ABC started a business by investing certain amounts. The respective ratio of the amounts invested by A and B is how much? 7:9. And the respective ratio of the amounts invested by B and C is 27:16. If the annual profit earned by them was how much? 9728. What is the A share of profit earned? First one, B is how many parts? 9 parts. Second one, 27. Then first one is multiplied by 3 times. Then equate the B parts are 3 7s are how much? 21. 3 9s are 27. C is how many parts? 16 parts are. What is the sum of the parts? 64 parts are. In place of 64 parts, how much value are given? 9728. But we required how many parts? 21 parts are. Okay. First, 1 into 8. 8. Numerator end with 8, but denominator end with 4. Then answer should end with either 2 or 7. How many options are end with 2 or 7? 2 options are only one. 2 options. 21 means it is 7 multiple or 3 multiple also. First verify the 3 multiple. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9. It is 3 multiple. Next 3 1 9 2. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 9, 13 plus 2, 15. It is also 3 multiple. In this one, which one is 7 multiple? 7 4 is how much? 28. Remaining value 60. 60 means 7 8 is 56. Remaining 42. It is 7 multiple. Obviously 3 1 9 2, not 7 multiple. 7 4 is how much? 28. Remaining 39. It is also 7 multiple. 7 4 is 28. Remaining value 39. 7 5s are 35. It is also 7 multiple. Normal calculation. 64 how many times? One time. What is the remaining value? 33. 33 means 332 or not? 332. 64 5 times how much? 320. What is the remaining value? 128. 128 means 2 times or not? 21 into 152. 152 20 times 3040 or not? Plus 152. Total it will be 3192. Which option? Fifth one. Next question number 109. Moksh invested 12,800 in scheme A for how many years? 2 years. Scheme A offers simple interest at the rate of 15% per annum. He invested the total amount obtained by him from scheme A after 2 years in another scheme B. Scheme B offers compound interest at 20% per annum compounded annually. What will be the interest earned by Moksh from scheme B if he invested money in scheme B for how many years? 2 years. We required interest from scheme B or scheme A? Scheme B. What is the rate of percent in scheme A? 15%. Time period is 2 years. Interest 30%. Amount will be 130% or 130% of which one? 12,800. It is total amount obtained from scheme A or not? Okay. It will be reinvested in scheme B or not? But scheme B, what is the rate of percent? 20%. 20% for how many years? 2 years. 20% for 2 years means what is the compound interest? 44% or not? 44% of 130% of which one? 12,800. First verify the 11 multiple or not? First option is 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 9 plus 8, 17. It is 11 multiple? No. Second option 7 plus 6, 13 plus 6, 19. 1 plus 4, 5. It is 11 multiple? No. 7 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 3 and 1 difference, 4. 15 and 4 difference, 11. It is 11 multiple. Next, fourth option 7 plus 4, 11 plus 2, 13. 4 plus 8, 12. No. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14 minus 6. No. Then answer third option 7321.60. Only one option is 11 multiple. Next question number 110. X is greater than y and their sum is how much? 102. Means the difference are 24. Sum is how much? 102. What is the 102 plus 24? 126. Divide by 2. 63. Means x value 63. Y value 39 or not? 39. And what is the sum of the third number z and x? But z is 5 by 13 of which one? Y value or not? Z is 5 by 13 of which one? Y value. What is the y value? 13. 13 how many times? 3 times. 3 5s are 15. Means z is how much? 15. But we required x and z. What is the sum? 78. Next, 111. If the ages of P and R is added to the which one? Twice the age of Q. Means P plus R plus 2Q or not? That is equal to how much value? 59. Second one, Q and R is added to which one? Thrice the age of P. Means 3P plus Q plus 2R plus R plus Q equal to how much value? 68 or not? Next one, if the age of P is added to which one? Thrice the age of Q and thrice the age of which one? R. Means P plus 3R plus 3Q. That is equal to how much value? 108 or not? 108. What is the question here? We required which one? P value or not? Okay. Second equation is multiplied by 3 times. Second one is multiplied by 3 times. 3 3 is how much? 9p or not? It is 3r. It is also 3q or not? 3 into 68. 204 or not? 204. Second equation minus third equation. 9p and p. Difference is 8p. 3r 3r cancel. 3q 3q cancel. 8p equal to 204 minus 108. How much? 96. 8p value 96. Then p value 12. Next 112. Average marks scored by the girls in a class is how much? 40. And that by the boys in the same class is how much? 30. The number of boys is more than the number of girls by how much? 8. If the total score of the boys is equal to that of which one? Girls. How many girls are there in the class? Suppose the number of girls we are consider x. The number of boys are x plus 8. What is the boys average? 30 or not? Next, what is the girls average? 40. Number of boys into average, number of girls into average. Both are in total scores or not? And here total score of the boys and total score of the girls are equal or different? Equal. 0 0 cancel or not? 4x and 3x difference? X. 3 8 is how much? 24. That number of girls are how much? 24. Next 113. The interest earned on P rupees when invested for 2 years at 8% per annum simple interest is how much? 240 more than the interest earned half of the P value when invested for 2 years at 12% per annum simple interest earned. What is the value of P earned? First case how many years? 2 years. Second case also 2 years. What is the 2 years difference are given? 240. What is the 1 year difference? 120 or not? 1 year difference is how many rupees? 120. Suppose the P value we are consider 100%. P value are 100%. What is the 8% of 100%? 8% or not? It is interest on first one. Second one, half of the P means it is how much? 50% or not? 50%. Then second case, what is the rate of percent? 12%. 12% of 50%? 6%. Means second case interest are 6% or not? What is the difference? 2%. What is the 2% value? 120 or not? But we required sum. How much percent we need? 100% or not? What is the answer? 6,000. Next 114. The cost price of article B is 150 more than the which one? Cost price of article A. Suppose article A cost price are A, article B cost price are A plus 150 or not? Okay. And one more, article A was sold at how much percent profit? 40% profit. 40% profit means selling price is 140% of which one? A or not? Next, article B was sold at a loss of how much? 20%. 20% loss means what is the selling price? 80% of which one? A plus 150 or not? Numerator is selling price of A, denominator is selling price of B. That is equal to, what is the selling prices ratio? 7:6 or not? Equal to 7/6 or not? And what is the question here? What will be the selling price of article A if it is sold at 10% loss? First we need to identify the A value or not. Again it is sold at 10% loss. 7 how many times 140? 20 times or not? 20 how many times 80? 4 times or not? One is 6A, another one 4A. What is the difference? 2A. And 4 into 150? 600. 2 how many times? 300 times or not? A is 300. Again it is sold at 10% loss or 10% gain? 10% loss. What is the 10% of 300? 30. Then selling price will be 270 or not? Next question number 115. A bike covers a distance of 576 kilometers with one third of the petrol required to fill the tank of a car or not? Means bike consumption will be one third of the car consumption or not? Yes or no? Suppose car X liters, then bike are how much? One third of X or not? Yes or no? Suppose the bike are y liters, then car will be 3y or not? Bike is one third of which one? Car consumption or not? Suppose bike is y liters are consumption, then car will be 3y or not? Yes or no? Bike is one third consumption of which one? Car consumption. If the mileage of a bike is how much? 72 kilometers per liter, and the cost of the petrol per liter is how much? 73. What is the amount is required to fill the tank of the car? First, bike how much distance are covered? 576 or not? But per liter, how many kilometers are traveled by bike? 72. Numerator distance, denominator per kilometer value. Per liter, how many kilometers are traveled? 72. Numerator distance, denominator per liter distance. Then we are get the number of liters. Number of liters consumed by which one? Bike. 72 how many times? 8 times. 8 liters are consumed by bike. Bike 8 liters are consumed means car is 24 liters. What is the per liter cost value of a petrol? 73 into 73 or not? We are get the total cost or not? Answer should end with 2 or not? How many options? Only one or not? 121, 121 to 125. Skip 126. Next question number 126. ABC are hired for the work. The total amount of 6710 is given to 3 of them according to their work. A alone can complete the work in how many days? 16 days. B alone can make it 32 days. Efficiency of C is one third of times of the which one? Efficiency of A. What is the share of B or not? And here how many persons? 3 persons or not? A, B, C. What is the A time are given? 16. B time 32. What is the LCM of 16 and 32? Normally 32, but we are considered 96 because C efficiency is one third of which one? A efficiency or not? Means A efficiency must be multiple of 3 or not? Okay. Suppose total work we are considered 96. 16 how many times? 6 times or not? 32 how many times? 3 times or not? A efficiency 6 parts, B efficiency 3 parts, then C efficiency 2 parts are. Okay. What is the total amount are distributed? 6710. That is distributed for 3 persons or only 1 person? 3 persons. What is the 3 persons efficiency? 11 parts are. Divide by 11. We required which one share? B share or not? How many parts we need? 3 parts are not. 11 how many times? 6 times. Again 1 time 0 or not? 3 into 610. 1830 or not? Next question number 127. A and B started a business where A invested 66.66% of the total invested by both are. 66.66% means what is the fraction? 2 by 300. Out of 3 parts, A invested how many parts? 2 parts. B invested 1 part. Yes or no? Total out of the total, A invested 2/3 value means A investment 2 parts, B investment are 1 part. Next, after 11 months, B withdraw all his money or not? Means B invested for how many months? 11 months or not? Next, find the profit of B at the end of the 18 months from the start of the business or not? Means A time period is how many months? 18 months or not? 2 into 18, 36. 1 into 11, 11 or not? Means profits are distributed 36 is to 11. Total how many parts? 47 parts. In that which one we required? B share or not? How many parts we need? 11 parts. 11 by 47 of 2538 or not? 47 almost 5 times or not? 47 5s are 235 or not? What is the remaining value? 18 or not? Means 188 or not? 188 means it will be 4 times or not? 11 into 54, 594 or not? Next, 128. Quadratic equations. Next 136 line graph. 136 line graph. Given line graph shows the percentage distribution of the length of different trains and their respective speeds. The sum of the lengths of all the 5 trains is how much? 2000 meters. And percentage distribution of the lengths of different trains are, okay, all are in train lengths are. And second one, respective speeds. Second one are respective speeds. Sum of the lengths of all the 5 trains is how much? 2000 meters. And here green color portion are speed of the trains are speed of the trains, and white color portions are lengths of the each trainer. Okay, 20% of how many meters? 2000 meters are, that is length of the first train or second train? First train. Length of the train A is how much? 20% of 2000, how much? 400 meters are. Length of the train B 24% are. 24% means 480 meters are. Length of the train C 18% are. 18% means it is 360 meters. Next, length of the train D 26% means 520 are. 520 meters are. Next, length of the train E 12%. 12% means 240 meters are. All these are individual train lengths are. And one more, all are in speeds are given. What is the first one? Speed 70, second one 50, and speeds are given in kilometer per hour or not? Speeds are given in kilometer per hour. What is the first question? If train A and train B are moving in opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction, then how much time they will cross each other in seconds or not? Opposite direction means relative speed or sum of the speeds or not? What is the A speed? 70, B speed 50 or not? 70 plus 50 120. Speed value 120 means converted to meter per second or not? Into 5 by 18 into time or not? Speed into time, we are get the distance or not? The distance value equal to length of the first train plus length of the second train. 400 plus 480 880 or not? Yes or no? 0 0 cancel or not? 6 how many times? 2 times. 6 how many times? 3 times or not? Any other cancellations? 2 how many times? 44 or not? 44 3s are 132 by 5 means 132 double 264, 5 double 10. 264 by 10 means 26.4 seconds sir. Okay, basic concept or not? When a train passes another train means sum of the two train lengths or not? Distance will be. Relative speed are sum of the speeds. 137. What is the ratio of the time taken by train A and train D respectively to crosses a platform of length 300 meters or not? Okay. First train passes a platform. When a train passes a platform means total distance are train length plus platform length. What is the length of the first train? 400. What is the platform length? 300. Distance 700. Okay. Into 700 is the distance or time? Distance. Next, second one, second train passes a platform or not? 480 plus 300, how much? 780. Distance by distance, that is equal to speed into time by speed into time or not? What is the speed of the train A? Sorry, train D or train B? Train D. What is the train D length? 520. 520 plus 300, 820 or not? That is equal to speed into time by speed into time or not? Speed of the train A, how much? 70 into T1 or not? Next, speed of the train B, train D, how much? 72 into T2 or not? Numerator 0, denominator 0 cancel. Numerator 70 cancel. Then T1 by T2, that is equal to 36 by 41 or not? Which option? Second option or not? What is the right hand side value? Speed into time or not? Left hand side distance. Next 138. If train B is moving with 20% more speed or less speed? More speed. And then find the length of the platform, meters, crosses it in 36.6 seconds or not. First, train B speed compared to original speed, how much percent or more? 20% more. What is the original speed of train B? 50. 20% more means 60 or not. But how much time or it will be passes a platform? 36.6 or not. First 60 kilometer per hour, it is converted to meter per second or not. Into how many seconds it will be passes? 360 seconds. But I written 366 by 10 or not. Speed into time, that is distance value or not. Distance means written train length plus platform length. But here which train? Second train or not. What is the second train length? 480 plus platform length or not. Speed into time equal to distance or not. And numerator 0, denominator 0 cancel. 6 how many times? 18. 3 times. 3 how many times? 366. 1, 2, 2 or not. 122 into 2. 610 or not. 610 and 480 difference. 130 or not. Means platform length is how much? 130. Next question number 139. Train A started from station X towards which one? Station Y. At the same time, train B started from station Y towards X. If the distance between station X and Y is how much? 840. Then find the time taken by A to reach station Y after meeting with the train B or not. Okay. What the distance are given? 840 or not. Both are moving in which direction? Opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. What is the opposite direction relative speed? A speed is 70, B speed are 50. What is the sum of these speeds? 120 or not? 0, 0 cancel. 12 how many times? 7 times or not? Means after how many hours they will meet? 7 hours or not? Next question number 140. Train D started from station M towards station N at 5 p.m. Train E started from station N towards M at 10 p.m. And if both the trains are meet at 2 a.m., then find the total distance between two stations or only one station. Two stations. Required distance between stations are okay. What is the starting time of first one? 5 p.m. Second one starting time 10 p.m. But both are meet at 2 a.m. or not. What is the starting time of first one? 5 p.m. But meeting at 2 a.m. or not. 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. How many hours? 9 hours or not. 7 plus 2. How many hours? 9 hours. Means train D how many hours are traveled? 9 hours or not. Next, train E starting time is how much? 10 p.m. or not. 10 p.m. But it is meet at 2 a.m. How many hours are traveled? 4 hours or not. Okay. What is the speed of the train D? 72 or not. It is traveled how many hours? 9 hours or not. Plus second one starting time 10 p.m. meeting time 2 a.m. How many hours are traveled? 4 hours or not. 2 plus 2 4 hours. What is the second train E speed? 60 63 or 68? 63. How many hours are traveled? 4 hours or not. One is 9 hours are traveled, another one 4 hours are traveled. One is after 9 years certain point are getting a note. Another one after 4 years certain point are getting. At that time both are meter note. Means one is covered certain distance, another one are covered certain distance. These two are adding, we are get the total distance or not. 72 into 9. 630 plus 18. How much? 648 or not. 63 into 4. 252 or not. Both are adding 900 or not. 48 plus 52. 100. 6 plus 2. 8. What is the total value? 900 or not. Next 141. caselet. The data regarding the number of students who passed and failed in the annual exam of a school in 4 different years are. Okay, how many years are given? 4 years. What the first one? 2020. Second one 2021. Next 2022. 19 also given. 19, 20, 21, 22. How many years are given? 4 years. And out of this one, failed students and passed students. One is passed students, another one are failed students. These two are adding, we are getting the total students or not? Total students. First, the total number of students in 2020 is how much? 136. 2020 total students are how much? 136. 136. Next, 100 out of this one, 76 students are failed. 2020, how many students are failed? 76. Pass value 60 or not? And 100% more students passed in 2021 as compared to that previous year or not? 100% more means what is the 100% of 60? 60 or not? 60 plus 60, 120. That 120 are passed in 2021 or not? Next, only one more students passed in 2021 as compared to that in 2019. Means 2019 pass value 11900. Because 2021 pass value compared to 2019, how many members are more pass? One more. Next, the number of students who fail in 2021 is how much? 30. 2021 fail value is how much? 30. Next, and 34 more students fail in 2020. 34 more students fail in 2020 than that in 2022. Okay, 34 more students fail in 2020 than that of which one? 2020. Means 76 value compared to 2022 value. How much value are more? 34 more or not? 76 minus 34. 42. That 42 are failed in which year? 2022 or no? Yes or no? Next, in 2022, the number of students who fail is 50% less than the number of students who passed or not? Means fail value is 50% less than the which one? Pass value. Suppose pass value are 100%, fail value are 50% or not? Means what is the ratio? 2:1 or not? What is the one part value? 42. Then two parts value 84 or not? Next, total students in 2019 and 20 together are how much? 306. Okay, what is the 2020 already total value? 136. Out of 306, 136 is completed or not? What is the remaining? 170 or not? 170. That 170 are which one? 2019 total value. Okay, out of 170, 119 are completed. What is the remaining? 51 or not? I think last one is the key pointer. Question number 2. Next, 141. In 2019, the number of female students is 22 less than the which one? Number of passed students. Then how many male students are in 2019? In 2019, the number of female students is 22 less than the number of passed students. Then how many male students are in 2019? What is the 2000? Female students is 22 less than the which one? Passed students. Okay, what is the 2019 total value? 170. Okay, but female value compared to male value, only it is female or not? Female students is 22 less than the number of passed students. What are the passed students? 119. Compared to that one, 22 less or not? 119 minus 22, it will be 97 or not? 97. 97 are which one? Female value or not? Obviously male value. 170 minus 97 are how much? 73. That 73 are which one? Male students or female students? Male students. Next 142. If the average number of students who passed in 2018, 2019 and 2020 is how much? 75. Average 75 means sum will be how much? 225 or not? 225. Then find the difference between the number of students who passed in 2018 and 2022. And it is passed value or total students? Passed value. What is the passed value of 3 years? 225. In that 2019 already 119, 2020 60, 119 plus 60, 179. Subtracting we are get the which year passed value? 18 passed value or 15 minus 9, 6, 21 minus 17, 4 or it is 46 passed students in which year? 2018. But your question is difference between passed value in 2018 and 2022. What is the 2022 passed value? 84. We require difference between 46 and 84. What is the answer? 38. Next 143. What is the ratio of the number of students who failed in 2019 and the number of students who failed in 2022? What is the failed value in 2019? 51. Failed in 2022? 42 or not? 3 17s, 3 14s or not? Next, question number 144. If the total number of female students in 2022 is how much? 56, out of which only 14 are failed, then what is the percentage of the number of male students passed in 2022? First 2022 female how many members? 56. 2022 total how many members? 126 or not? Out of 126 female members is how much? 56. Male members 70 or not? Next, out of which only 14 are failed, means out of 56 fail value, failed females is how much? 14 or not? Fail 14 means pass female are 42 or not? Okay, what is the total pass value? 84. Out of 84 female pass value 42, means male pass value also 42 or not? Male pass value is how much? 42. What is the question here? What is the percentage of the number of male students passed in 2022? What is the female male pass value is how much? 42. That is calculated on total students or not? What is the total students? 126. Then we required 42 out of 126 or not? Into 100. We are get the 1/3 or 1/4? 1/3 or 1/3 means how much percent? 33, 1/3%. Next 145. The number of students who passed in 2020 and 2021 together is approximately what percentage more than the number of students who failed in 19 and 21 together? And here passed value in 2020 and 2021. What is the passed value in 2020? 60. 2021 120. Total it is 180 or not? 1 is 180. And compared to which one? Fail value 19 and 21. What is the fail value in 19? 51. And 2021 30. 51 plus 30 81 or not? How much value or more? 99. 99 upon which one? 81 into 100 or 9 how many times? 11 times. 9 how many times? 9 times or not? 11 by 9 or not? 11 by 9 means we written 1 2 by 9 or not? 1 2 by 9. 1 means how much percent? 100%. 1 by 9 means 11 1 by 9% or not? 2 by 9 means 22 2 by 9% or not? Then answer will be 100 plus 22 2 by 9%. Then answer will be 122% or not? Next, quantities. Time taken by a motorboat. Time taken by a motorboat to travel 1000 kilometers upstream is 50 hours more than the time taken by travel the same distance in downstream. The speed of the motorboat in still water is 200% more than the which one? speed of the stream. Suppose speed of the stream are 1 part, then speed of the boat are speed of the stream 1 part, speed of the boat 200% more means 3 parts or 2 parts? 3 parts are okay. And in down upstream, how much distance are covered? 1000 kilometers. Downstream also same distance are covered. What is the upstream speed? 2 parts are. What is the downstream speed? 4 parts. What is the both are adding? It is total time. What is the total time? 50. Sorry, time difference are given or not? 50 hours more. Upstream time is 50 hours more than the which one? Downstream time. Difference in time is how many hours? 50 hours or not? Solving this one, we are get the 1 part value or not? First 2 how many times? 500 or not? 4 how many times? 250 or not? 500 minus 250, 250. 50 how many times? 250. 5 times or not? Every 1 part is 5 or not? 1 part is 5. And what is the quantity one? How much time the motorboat will take to travel the same distance in upstream or downstream? Upstream means we return 1000 by 10 or not? 1000 by 10 means 100 hours or not? 100 hours. Next, quantity 2. How much time motorboat will take to travel 300 kilometers downstream if due to wind the speed of the stream was increased by how much? 100% or not? Okay. Already speed of the stream is how many parts? 1 part. Increased by 100% means 2 parts or not? Means new speed of the stream is how many parts? 2 parts. Downstream speed means m plus s or m minus s? M plus s. What is the distance in downstream? 3000 kilometers. What is the m value? 3 parts. S new value is how many parts? 2 parts or not? What is the sum of the parts? M plus s. 5 parts. What is the 1 part value? 5. 5 parts value. 5 into 5 or not? 25 how many times? 12 times or not? Means 120 hours or not? That is Q2 or Q1? Q2. What is the Q1? 100. Q2 120. What is the answer? Q1 less than Q2. Which option? Fifth one. 147. A alone can do a piece of work in how many days? 20 days. A is 80% more efficient than C. But B and A together can do the work in how many days? 12 days. B and A together in how many days? 12 days. A plus B and A. What is the A plus B time? 12 days. A time 20 days or not? What is the LCM? 60. 12 how many times? 5. 20 how many times? 3 times or not? Obviously B efficiency 2 parts or not? Okay. And what is the question here? A is 80% more efficient than which one? C. A efficiency is 80% more than the which one? C efficiency or not? Suppose C efficiency 100%, A efficiency 160% or not? 160, sorry, 80% more means 180%. What is the ratio? 9:5 or not? But in place of 9 parts, how much value? 5 or 9 parts are 5 means what is the 1 part value? A is how many parts? 3 parts. But in place of 3 here how much? 9 or not? Means if it is 9, here it is 3. And 1/3 or 1/4? 1/3 means 5 also. 1/3 or not? What the C value is? 5 by 3 or not? 5 by 3. Actually 9 parts value is how much? 3. We required how many parts? 5 parts or not? Okay. 3 how many times? 3 times. Then we are get the 5 by 3 or not? That is which one efficiency? C efficiency or not? Next. What is the question here? Find the time taken by B and C together to complete the work or not? B and C together. What is the P efficiency? 2. C efficiency? 5 by 3. 2 plus 5 by 3? 11 by 3 or not? What is the total work? 60. 60 by 11 by 3 or not? Yes or no? It is 180 by 11 or not? 180 by 11. 180 by 11 means more than 16 times or not? More than 16 times. More than 16 times. It is Q1. Next, what is the Q2? 18.25. Q1 value more than 16 but less than 17 or not? Obviously Q2 value 18.25 are given. Then answer Q1 is less than Q2 or not? If quantity 2 are given either C efficiency or B efficiency, in that case we written direct answer. But here quantity 2 direct value are given or not? In quantity 1 we required B and C together time. Suppose quantity 2 we required either B alone or C alone are required. In that case we return directly answer. B and C together means 2 persons or not? 2 persons means more efficiency. Time are less or not? In quantity 2 only we required B alone means in that case we return B alone means less efficiency. Time will be more or not? But here quantity 2 directly value are given or not? Then we are comparison between quantities or not? Means Q1 definitely we required. Next 148. 18 by x minus 72 by x square, it is equal to how much? 1. Then find the value of x or not? This one I written 18 by x minus 72 by 77 by x square equal to 1. What are the denominators? X and x square or not? This one I written 18x minus 77 equal to x square or not? Okay. Minus 77 becomes plus 77. Plus 18x becomes minus 18x. This one I written x square plus 77x. Sorry. Minus 18x plus 77 equal to 0. Okay. Second one, y into y square minus 28 equal to 3y or not? Okay. This one I written minus 3y plus 28 equal to 0 or not? Y into y square minus 28 equal to how much? 3y or not? Plus 3y becomes minus 3y. Minus 28 becomes plus 28 or not? Y square minus 28 equal to how much? Minus 28 we are getting. Minus 28. Minus 28 equal to 0. Minus 18x plus 77 means initial roots are minus 11, minus 7 or not? What are the final roots? Plus 11, plus 7 or not? 28 means we return 7 into 4 or not? Initial roots are minus 7, plus 4 or not? Final roots are plus 7, minus 4 or not? Okay. 11 compared to 7 comma minus 4 greater. 7 compared to 7 equal. 7 compared to minus 4 greater. What is the answer? Q1 is greater than or equal to Q2. Which option? Fourth one. 149. A invested P in two different schemes, X and Y equally. Scheme X offers 20% per annum at simple interest and scheme Y offers 10% per annum at compound interest. After 2 years, he got a total of 2135 as a interest from both the schemes. Okay. Both are invested equal amount or different amount? Equal amount. What is the first one rate of percent? 20%. How many years are given? 2 years. 20% for 2 years. What is the interest? 40%. Next, second one, 10% for 2 years. What is the compound interest? 21%. What is the total interest? 61%. That is equal to how much value? 2135 or not? Okay. First we are getting the 100% value, that is principal of either of these schemes or not? 61 how many times? 3 times or not? 183. Remaining value 30 or not? 30 means 305. How many times? 5 times or not? Means P value is how much? 3500. What is the quantity 1? Value of 2.4 times of P. 2.4 means we return 24 by 10 or not? Into how much value? 3500. 0 cancel or not? 24 into 300. 7200. 24 into 50. 1200 or not? 7200 plus 1200. 8400. Then answer Q1 less than Q2 or not? Next 150. A vessel contains 25 liters of water and 100 liters of milk. If 40% of the mixture is removed from the vessel and x liters of water is added, the ratio of the milk to water gets reversed. And again y liters of milk is added, the ratio of milk to water gets reversed. Okay. What is the initial milk? 100 liters. Next, initial water 25 liters. What is the milk and water ratio? 4:1. 4:1. Next, in this one, how much percent are mixture of the removed? 40%. What is the total mixture? 125. In that 40%, what is the 40% of 125? 50. 125 minus 50. 75. Remaining quantity is how much? 75. In that 75 also, milk and water are in which ratio? 4:1. Total how many parts? 5 parts are. 5 parts 75 means 4 parts are 60. 1 part are 15. Or mixture 40% are removed means individual quantities also 40% are removed. What is the 40% of 100? 40. 100 minus 40? 60. What is the 40% of 25? 10. 25 minus 10? 15. Yes or no? Again, how many liters of water is added? X liters. Plus x or minus x? Plus x. Okay. Then 60 is the milk, water is 15 plus x. After adding x liters of water, the ratio of the milk to water gets reversed. Okay. Reversed means 60 is represents how many parts? 1 part. 15 plus x? 4 parts. What is the 1 part value? 60. 4 parts value? 240. What is the actual ratio? 4:1. Reverse means 1:4. What is the 1 part value? 60. 4 parts value? 240. 240. The 240 represents which one? 15 plus x. 15 plus x. 15 plus x. 15 plus x 240 means x value 225 means x is how much? 225. Okay. But those are in which ratio? 1:4 ratio. Again, we are adding how many liters of milk? Y liters of milk. Here it is 60 liters and it is 240 liters. Again, we are adding how many liters of milk? Y liters. Plus y or minus y? Plus y. Again, after adding y liters of milk, the ratio will be changes to which one? Reversed. What is the ratio here? 1:4. Reverse means 4:1. Means this is how many parts? 4 parts. This one 1 part. What is the 1 part value? 240. 4 parts value? 960. 960. That 960 equal to which one? 60 plus y. Means 60 plus y equal to how much? 960. Then y value? 900. What is the answer? Q1 less than Q2. Okay. Tomorrow exam kada? In hours time total ga? 2 hours kada? Time ఎలా స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నారు? సెక్షనల్ టైం ఉందా? ఉంది కదా? ఎన్ని మినిట్స్ ఉంది ఈచ్ వన్? 40 మినిట్స్. 40 40 40. ఓకే. నేను రీజనింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ గురించి ఏం మాట్లాడలేదు, ఓన్లీ క్వాంట్ గురించే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. చూడండి, 40 మినిట్స్ని 2 పార్ట్స్గా స్ప్లిట్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్. ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్లో సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్, నెంబర్ సిరీస్, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, ఇన్ కేస్ అప్రాక్సిమేషన్స్ ఇస్తే అప్రాక్సిమేషన్స్. ఫస్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్ ఆఫ్ టైం. నెక్స్ట్ డేటా అనాలిసిస్లో టేబుల్ ఇస్తాయి, డైరెక్ట్ టేబుల్ ఇస్తాయి. కొన్ని సందర్భాల్లో డైరెక్ట్ అంటే మీకు రెగ్యులర్గా పై చార్ట్ ఉంది కదా, పై చార్ట్ కనుక ఇస్తే పై చార్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఐ థింక్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 116 121. ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పై చార్ట్, సింగిల్ పై చార్ట్ ఇస్తే డైరెక్ట్గా చేసేయండి. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ. ఈ 20 మినిట్స్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో వీటిని ఇవి కనిపిస్తే ఫస్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్ ఇవి మాత్రమే కంప్లీట్ చేసేయండి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇందులో అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 3 సెక్షన్స్ అన్న ఇస్తాడు. ఈ 5 సెక్షన్స్లో అట్లీస్ట్ 3 సెక్షన్స్ అన్న ఉంటాయి. ఇవి కంప్లీట్ చేశాక మిక్స్డ్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ అంటే కేస్లెట్స్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ 2 డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఉంటాయి, పై చార్టు ప్లస్ టేబుల్ ప్లస్ పై చార్టు ఇలా. నెక్స్ట్ Q1 Q2లు అర్థమెటిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకేనా, ఇవి సెకండ్ ప్రియారిటీ పెట్టుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ అన్నీ కూడా సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్, నెంబర్ సిరీస్, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఇన్ కేసు రాంగ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఇస్తే దాన్ని సెకండ్ ప్రియారిటీ పెట్టుకోండి. నెంబర్ సిరీస్ అయితేనే ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ, రాంగ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ అయితే సెకండ్ ప్రియారిటీ. నెక్స్ట్ డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ సెకండ్ ప్రియారిటీ పెట్టుకోండి. డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ కూడా సెకండ్ ప్రియారిటీ. ఓకే, డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ, Q1 Q2 అర్థమెటిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ మిక్స్డ్ డయాగ్రామ్స్, కేస్లెట్స్, వీటిని సెకండ్ ప్రియారిటీ. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ అన్నీ కూడా సింపుల్గా అయిపోయాయి, సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్, నెంబర్ సిరీస్, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, అప్రాక్సిమేషన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ పై చార్ట్ అంటే ఓన్లీ 1 డయాగ్రామ్ ఇచ్చి డైరెక్ట్ డేటా ఉంటే ఓకేనా, ఆటోమేటిక్గా స్కోర్ కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు. ఫస్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్లో మనం అట్లీస్ట్ 15 to 18 దాకా చేయగలుగుతాం. ఇవన్నీ ఇస్తాయి, అట్లీస్ట్ 3 సెక్షన్స్ ఇస్తాయి. వీటిలో మినిమం 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తాం. మినిమం 15, మ్యాక్సిమం 20 దాకా అటెంప్ట్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్లో అర్థమెటిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్, Q1 Q2 అయితే ఫస్ట్ టచ్ చేయొద్దు. Q1 Q2 కంటే టేబుల్ ప్లస్ పై చార్టు లేదు కేస్లెట్ ఇలాంటివి ఏమన్నా ఈజీగా ఉంటే Q1 Q2 కంటే అవి ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఇంకొక విషయం ఏంటంటే కంపారిజన్ ఆఫ్ Q1 Q2, డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ ఈజీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Because Q1 Q2 we are solving the 2 quantities or not, but in data sufficiency we required just verification or not, if it is possible or not, concept idea unte questions are easier or not. Okay, kabatti compare to Q1 Q2 first priority which one? Data sufficiency. Okay, next caselets, pie chart plus tables. ఫస్ట్ చూడంగానే అర్థమవుతుంది అనుకోండి, డేటా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళిపోండి. ఎందుకంటే 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ కదా మనకి, ఒక డేటా సాల్వ్ చేస్తే 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఈజీ అయిపోతుందా లేదా? మీకు హార్డ్ అయితే పేపర్ ఉండదు. ఆల్మోస్ట్ మీకు మీ కంట్రోల్లోనే 70 to 80% పేపర్ మీ కంట్రోల్లోనే ఉంటుంది. మీ కంట్రోల్లోనే ఉంటుంది అంటే మీరు చేయగలిగేలాగే ఉంటుంది 70 to 80% పేపర్. ఒక 20% మాత్రమే హార్డ్ ఉంటుంది, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా, మ్యాక్సిమం అటెంప్ట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి విత్ 100% యాక్యురసీ. నెక్స్ట్ రీజనింగ్లో కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ కోడెడ్ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్. ఓకేనా, సిలాజిమ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ డైరెక్షన్స్ సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్, బ్లడ్ రిలేషన్ సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్, కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్, నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ఫా న్యూమెరిక్ సిరీస్ గురించి. ఓకేనా, ఇవి ఫస్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్లో ఫినిష్ అయ్యేలాగా చూసుకోండి. సెకండ్ 20 మినిట్స్ పజిల్స్, సీటింగ్ అరేంజ్మెంట్, థాట్. ఫస్ట్ 2 మినిట్స్లోనే థాట్ వస్తే పజిల్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఇన్ కేసు రాలేదు అంటే వదిలేసి నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్కి వెళ్ళండి. 2 రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్స్, ఓన్లీ 2 రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ మాత్రమే పాసిబుల్ అయితే ఓకే. మోర్ దాన్ 2 వస్తున్నాయి అంటే క్వశ్చన్ వదిలేసి వేరే దానికి వెళ్ళండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా తెలిసిందే కదా. ఇంగ్లీష్లో మీకు ఐడియా ఉంటే క్లోజ్ టెస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ ఇవ్వండి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ క్లోజ్ టెస్ట్, తర్వాత స్పాటింగ్ ఎర్రర్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ఎర్రర్ లొకేషన్, నెక్స్ట్ జంబుల్డ్ సెంటెన్సెస్, లాస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ రీడింగ్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్. ఓకే, లేదు ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ రీడింగ్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్, రిమైనింగ్ అండ్ లాస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ 15 మినిట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ 10 మినిట్స్, లాస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ 15 మినిట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ 10 మినిట్స్, లాస్ట్ 15 మినిట్స్. ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఫస్ట్ 15 మినిట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ 10 మినిట్స్, లాస్ట్ 15 మినిట్స్. ఇలా స్ప్లిట్ చేయండి. 15 + 15 30 + 10 40 మినిట్స్ అనండి. 10 మినిట్స్ ఏమో రీడింగ్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్, 15 మినిట్స్కి ఏమో ఈజీగా ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్, లాస్ట్ 15 మినిట్స్ ఏమో కొంచెం హార్డ్. ఓకేనా, ఇలా స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకోండి, ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. రీడింగ్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్కి మినిమం 5 to 8 మినిట్స్ టైం స్పెండ్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీకు 4 to 5 మార్క్స్ ఈజీగా వస్తుంది, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ రీజనింగ్లో కూడా సిట్టింగ్ అరేంజ్మెంట్, పజిల్స్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయకండి, లాస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ ఇవ్వండి. ఫస్ట్ 20 మినిట్స్లో ఆల్మోస్ట్ నాకు తెలిసి మీరు రీజనింగ్లో మినిమం 18 క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, మ్యాక్సిమం 25 దాకా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. మార్నింగ్ స్లాటా సెకండ్ స్లాటా? సెకండ్ స్లాటా? ఓకే, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ అండి, బాగా రాయండి.